Hey, welcome everybody. Mr. On Demand, man with master plan, back again. And today we're going to talk about the new ONN streaming second generation 4K Pro box, 32 gig of storage, Ethernet. It's got USB-C for the power. There's a few nice upgrade features, probably a faster processor. And I'm going to go over a full review on that box once it's available. It's not quite available yet, even though it was just on the website for a brief moment. And we're going to talk about that as well. But let's go ahead and take a look at Walmart's website here. What we got on their website right now is this is the best box they've got, and it is currently out of stock, probably because the new box is on the way. I want to talk really quick about the other boxes that are available here. Personally, I don't recommend anybody buy any of the 8 gig boxes, the $25, the $20 one. You should stay away from those. Those particular boxes just don't have enough storage. And people can say, oh, but you can use an OTG cable and you can hook a USB drive up and get more storage. If you're going to go through all that trouble and you're going to buy those things to do that, you might as well just buy the better box right from the beginning. It's really the better route to go. But that being said, what I'm going to tell you is this new box looks really, really good. Now, it is going to be a little more expensive, and this box 4473 is not going to possibly be available anymore. The last one I got, I had to buy off eBay. It wasn't available at Walmart. And once they are available, I'll get one of these new boxes. Here's what the new box looks like right here. So if you're interested in this box, definitely stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. I'll be talking about this box and doing a full review when it comes in. Also, if you're interested, I did a full teardown video of the original Pro box. I completely tore it down and showed the inside of it. If you're interested in another video like that, subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments below if that's what you want to see. I'll be happy to do that again for all of you out there so you can see exactly how well this box is put together inside. Now, let's take a look. What I wanted to talk about was it was available previously on Telegram, and here is my Telegram. And if you want to be part of the Telegram group and get some of this information, maybe even a little quicker than I can put a video out, subscribe to my Telegram group. The link's in the description of this video for that. I also put Windows and all kinds of other tech news and information in my Telegram group as well. But this is what was shown right here, and it was shown that it was available, but that was just for a small period of time, and it will be available. It's coming. So we do know that. I want to tell you all that if you like these kind of videos, let me know what you like and what you want to see out of me when it comes to these kind of streaming and TV box videos. And I'll try my best to put that kind of information out there for you. Leave yourself a thumbs up for watching this video, for learning the best information on how to get the best devices for you, instead of what I consider, crummy boxes that are 8 gig or Roku devices, which I don't like because they're very limited on what you can and cannot do with the devices. I try to give you the best information, my opinion wise, on what I think is best for you guys to use. And you take that information and use it how you see fit and do what's best for you. Everybody's got different use cases and everybody watches different kinds of things. So everybody's going to be a little different on what they would rather have. And no judgment here. You guys all have a wonderful day. This is Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm